The present value, true discount, bankers discount and bankers gain. I'll explain with this one simple example. Take person A as seller, person A as, person B as buyer. Then let us assume that A sells a goods of worth 12,000 to the person B. Okay, but buyer B has no amount, so he requested seller to draw a bill. So person A draw a bill of amount 12,000 for 3 months. Clear? Seller wants to sell goods worth of 12,000 to person B, but B has no money, so he requested seller to draw a bill for 3 months for the amount 12,000. Okay, then see, while drawing the bill, rate of interest, take it as 10% per annum simple interest. Okay, while drawing the bill, you need to pay some amount of interest, take it as 10% per annum simple interest. Okay, then see, for the 3 months, right? After 3 months, B need to give how many amounts? Calculate the amount. Simple interest, right? 12,000 P T. T means time 3 months, right? So 3 by 12, 3 months into R, rate of interest, that is equal to 10% means 10 by 100. Okay, PTR by 100 if you take interest in decimals, or you can write PTR. Okay, so if you calculate this one, your answer is 12,300. Okay, after 3 months, B need to give 12,300. Okay, as the bill amount. Actually, bill drawn for 12,000, but rate of interest 10% per annum is there, right? So after 3 months, B need to give 12,300 to person A. But see, after 1 month, B, after 1 month, A needs money. Okay, that means 2 months still there, right? For the legally due date. Okay, for due date still 2 months are there, so he can't approach person B for the money. Then what he will do? Then B will approach the bank. Okay, then he request bank to take his bill, or he request bank to discount his bill. But bank will check the bill, and observation is that bill is for 3 months, but only 1 month is over and still 2 months remaining. So for 1 month, okay, calculate the rate of interest. See, 12,000 amount into rate of interest 10 by 100, rate of interest 10 by 100, and R, and time is 1 month, so 1 divided by 12. So you will get, it's equal to, here 2 to 0 get cancels, then 12 ones are 12 tens are, you will get 100. Okay, for 1 month, see, above case rate of interest equal to 300, right? Original amount to 12,000 plus rate of interest 300, so he need to give 12,300. After 1 month, actually he need to get how much amount? 12,100 rupees. Okay, then true discount equal to face value, that is 12,300 minus present value. See, 12,100 is the present value, So is after 1 month present value. In this after 1 month, in this situation, value of the bill is equal to 12,100. Okay, then true discount is equal to, you will get only 200 rupees. Okay, so if banks apply interest for the 1 month, then they will get only 200 rupees and there is no profit for them, right? So they are not going to charge interest for the expired period. Okay, they are going to charge the interest for the unexpired time. Okay, here expired time is 1 month. In 3 months, expired time is equal to 1 month, it's expired, then unexpired is equal to 2 months. A bank going to apply charge for expired month, they will not get so much profit. So they are going to charge the interest for the unexpired time. Bankers will charge interest on unexpired time. Okay, then see, calculate the simple interest, but while charging simple interest, they will compute the whole value, that is for 3 months how much you are getting, 12,300, next by time 2 month into simple interest equal to 10 by 100. Okay, if you simplify this one, you will get 205. Okay, now see, bankers discount 205, here 200 you are getting. Now see, true discount is 200 only, but banker discount is 205. Okay, actually they need to cut 200 rupees, but they are going to cut 205, extra 5 rupees they will cut. Okay, this is bankers discount. Okay, bankers discount, what you will get, 205. So by this bankers gain is equal to bankers discount minus true discount. Bankers 205 minus true discount, actually they need to cut 200 rupees there, but they are cutting 205 rupees. So 5 rupees gain for banks. Okay, bankers discount is equal to 205, present value is equal to 12,100 is there. Okay, face value is equal to 12,300. It's after 3 months, it's after 1 month. Okay, but then how much money will A get? That is, bank will 12,300 face value minus bankers discount 205, they will go in a minus. Okay, 1095 you will get. Okay, to calculate the present value, formula is P. P means present value equal to F divided by 1 plus TR. We know T equal to unexpired time in years and R equal to rate of interest in decimals. Okay, rate of interest in decimals. If you apply this formula, you will get the present value of the bill. Okay, next, discount of the bill. We know what's the meaning of discount, right? Two types of discounts are there, true discount and bankers discount. True discount, it is the difference between the face value and present value of the bill, and it is the simple interest calculated on the present value of the bill. But bankers discount, if you going to draw, if that means if you are going to draw the bill through bank, then see, they will charge a simple interest calculated on the face value of the bill. Okay, that time see, formula is BD equal to FTR. Okay, just remember TD is equal to PTR, true discount equal to PTR, that is calculated on the present value of the bill. Bankers discount BD is calculated by using the face value of the bill. This bankers gain. Okay, bankers gain BG is equal to BD minus TD. That means bankers discount minus true discount. Okay, that gives bankers gain, amount obtained by the bankers after discounting the bill. That is bankers gain. Gain means obtained money, right? That is calculated by bankers discount minus true discount. Okay. And next is discount value of the bill or bankers present value. Discount value of the bill DV is equal to F minus BD. We know F means face value, BD means bankers discount. Okay. Discount value means value of the bill after discounted in the bank. Okay. That is given by DV, discounted value equal to F minus B. Now see some important formulas regarding the bill and discounting. Here first formula is F, face value equal to BD into TD by BG. Times they will give BD, TD and BG, calculate F. That time you can directly apply the formula face value F is equal to BD into TD by GG. It's a very important formula. And bankers gain BG is equal to, one formula is F into TR square by 1 plus TR. Another one is TD into TR. BG, bankers gain equal to TD into TR. It's a very important formula. Another one, bankers gain equal to BD minus TD. These are two important formulas. This formula you are rarely using. Okay, but remember these two formulas. Bankers gain is equal to TD into TR. Another one is BD minus TD. Okay. Next TD, true discount. Okay, we know one formula, true discount is equal to PTR. Another formula is FTR divided by 1 plus TR. Okay. Another formula for discount value is equal to, see, we know F minus BD, it's equal to F minus BD, bankers discount equal to FTR, right? If you take F outside, then see F into 1 minus TR. It's a formula itself. So discount value, sometimes they are not giving BD, bankers discount, but they will give T and R value as well as F value. That time to calculate the discounted value, use the formula F into 1 minus TR. Then BD equal to FTR, you already saw this formula, right? BD equal to FTR. Another formula, first formula, legally due date equal to draw date plus bill period plus 3 days grace period. Okay, remember all these formulas. With this much of formulas only you can solve any problems related to bill discounting. Okay.